Are you looking for a new grill to fire up this summer? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll find the right grill for you right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. If you're wondering what type of grill to buy, price and convenience will influence your decision. Charcoal grills are lower in price, result in a true charcoal flavor, and in many cases are portable. You can get one of these for as little as $20 with basic units in the $50 to $100 range. Heavy-duty models with features for smoking meat will cost more. Gas grills offer the greatest ease and convenience with a short preheating time, and there's no ash disposal, so cleanup goes faster. These grills begin at about $100 and go up, but the models under $300 seem to be the most popular. Additional side burners and electric rotisserie units will add to the cost. These days, since propane tank exchange sites are popping up everywhere, you can find fuel for either type of grill as close as your local convenience store or market. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.